Hey traders! Oh my gosh, hey, real quick, before we dive in, you have to check out our Patreon, okay? We just dropped some fresh trading signals and a whole Enjin update with super clear support levels and targets. It's all in there and I don't want you to miss it. All right, so market update. Enjin coin is down like 13% in the last 24 hours, sitting around $0.059. And volume's just kind of drifting away, like it went out to get a coffee and never came back. So now the big question, bullish momentum or total trap? Right now, falling price plus low volume is basically the market whispering, hey, demand's kind of weak, which could mean more downside. But if we suddenly see volume snapping back with strong green candles, we might be looking at a nice little reversal setting up. Keep an eye on those support levels. If it holds, hey, maybe we get a bounce. If it breaks, yeah, deeper pullback territory. And seriously, don't rush in. Just let the market show its hand first, okay? No need to go full action hero on every chart. Oh, and yes, don't forget, our Patreon has all the premium signals with clean entries, exits, targets, the whole package. There's even a little starter plan for $10 if you just want to dip a toe in. Links in the description and the comments because I am nothing if not thorough. Got a chart you want me to look at? Just DM me anytime. I love this stuff. Happy to help. So tell me, what do you think? Bounce incoming or more downside? And of course, quick disclaimer, please, DYOR. This is not financial advice.